Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Check your XFINITY plan eligibility. Not all XFINITY packages come with free PEACOCK, so you'll want to verify that your current plan qualifies. Log into your XFINITY account online or call customer service to confirm you're on a plan that includes the benefit. Step 2. Locate your XFINITY account information. You'll need your account number and the email associated with your XFINITY service. Have this ready before you start the activation process, as you'll be asked to provide these details. Step 3. Visit the PEACOCK website or app and select the Sign Up option. You can access PEACOCK through their website or download the app on your device. Look for the Sign Up button and choose the option that says you have an XFINITY account. Step 4. Authenticate with your XFINITY credentials. When prompted, enter your XFINITY username and password. This connects your PEACOCK account directly to your XFINITY service, automatically applying the free premium access. Step 5. Confirm your subscription and start streaming. Once authenticated, your free PEACOCK subscription will activate immediately. You'll have full access to premium content, and you won't see any charges on your XFINITY bill. Enjoy thousands of movies, shows, and live sports without paying extra.